Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn about network and internet settings and system. So how network and internet settings will work in a system, we will see in this video. And in this class, we will see only how status of the internet will work in our system. We will see. So the status will be look like this: monitor, Wi-Fi, internet. So we are getting from internet provider through Wi-Fi to the system. So you are connected to internet. If you have a limited data plan, you can make this network a material connection or change other properties. So what is material connection? Which means, for example, you recharge your mobile phone for 1 month, right? So that means you are having a limited data plan for 30 days. So, for example, if your plan is not a limited plan and the 1 month plan is exceeded, then you have to pay extra amount to the internet provider or the recharger. So, one who recharge your mobile, you have to pay the extra amount to them if it's not a meter connection. So if you want a material connection, like to save the data, you can connect to the material connection. The data will be saved and you can pay the less amount to the internet provider. So this is what material connection. And if you want change other properties, you can use the material connection. So you can see here Wi-Fi from the last 30 days properties. So if you click on this, you will be having uh, connect automatically when in range. So when you find Wi-Fi, it will automatically connect and you will be having the network profile, public and private. So your PC is hidden from other devices on the network, can't be used for printers and file sharing. So when it's public, you are hidden. When you're public, you are hidden and can't be used for printer and file sharing. So that's why I'm putting private. For a network you trust, such as at home or work, your PC is discoverable and can be used for printer and file sharing if you set it up. So you can configure file security settings. So do you made to switch apps? Settings is trying to open Windows security. So if you want to open it, you can open it. I don't want it. So random hardware addresses. So use random hardware addresses to make it harder for people to track your location when you connect to this Wi-Fi. This settings applies only to this network and any change will take effect the next time you connect. So that's why you should always on the random addresses for this network so that your addresses will be changes frequently. So then you can any person if you want to track your system, then it's hard to find you. So next, material connection. If you have a limited data plan and want more control over data usage, make this connection as material network. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you are connected to this network. So as I told you, material connection for material network is for the limited data plan. So if you want to set it as a limited data plan, you can click on this and it will be turned into the limited data plan. If you set a data limit, Windows will set the limited connection settings for you, help you stay under your limit. And IP settings. So you'll be having IC assignment. Here you can click edit and you can change it by manual also. But I'm leaving it as automatic DHCP. So properties, SSID, Wi-Fi, and WPA2 personal, 2.4 GHz, network channel 6, link speed 144 Mbps, and you'll be having IP addresses. So you can see IP addresses, and the manufacturer is Intel Corporation, description Intel R, wireless AC 9560, and driver version 22.110.0.7, and manual address 14-85-7F-90-60-02. So this is the physical address of Mac. So this is the physical address of the Mac. So these are the statuses. So you can come to the back to the statuses, and you can see the data usage. So you can see the data usage, how much of amount is used for the Chrome. You have used 39.95 GB, Dropbox 30.1 GB. And you can see how much data you have used for each application in your system. So this is how we can use the data uses. And you will be having show available networks. You can see the available networks here, so that you can find the available networks, and whatever network you want, you can connect to that network. And change adapter options. So you'll be having adapter options. You can connect to Bluetooth, or you can connect to Ethernet, or you can connect through Wi-Fi. So what is an adapter? Adapter is a thing which connects your system to the Wi-Fi. It connects your system to the Wi-Fi. So this is what adapter settings. And you will be having network and sharing center. So for the networks, you connect to and decide what you want to share. So if you want to share something, you can use network sharing center. And you will be having control panel, control adapter system. You can change your adapter settings, change advanced sharing settings, media streaming options, and you will be having internet options, window defender, firewall. So we will see all these things in the next class. And you'll be having internet connections. Click on this, you will be having access, media state, and you can see the speed 144.4 Mbps speed, signal quality is high, and you can see the bytes, how much of bytes it's sending and how much of it is receiving, and you can see the properties. So you can see the properties here. So, and you can click on the disable, and you can diagnose the internet. Then change your network settings. Setting a new connection network, you can click on this and troubleshoot problems. If your network is not connecting, you can troubleshoot the problems. So this is how we can use the network sharing center and network troubleshooter. So you can have if you have any problem in the network, you can check all the network adapters. So next, so it will detect the problems, looking for problems in the web connectivity, and it will check and it will give you the proper answer how to resolve the problem. That is taking time. So it will take time, and after taking time, it will give the answer. Let's wait for it. How much time it will take? Web connectivity. Looking for problems in web connectivity. So see here, it is collecting the configuration. So troubleshooting could identify the problem. You can try exploring the other options that might be helpful for you. So why? Because the Wi-Fi is working, right? So it's not giving any troubleshooting problems. And you can view the hardware and connection problems. So you'll be having Ethernet 2 local area connection 1, local area connection 2, Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi name. So this is the Wi-Fi which I connected. So you can see all the hardware and hardware components, your hardware and connection properties. So, so this is how we can see your view your hardware and connection properties. So Windows firewall. So you can see the Windows firewall. So you can check all, you can go and check all these settings, and these settings I will explain in the next class. So what are the useful settings in this? So we'll see in the next class. And you will be having network reset. You can reset the network. You can reset the network. This will remove the and reinstall. So this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and then set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, and such as a VPN client software or virtual switches. And if you want to reset it, you can reset now and your PC will be resetted. So this is how we can use the status of the network. So I hope you understand the network and internet, how to use the statuses. And if you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share it to your friends and family members to get benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.